So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to the Windows button, and then you're going to click on the little settings icon over here, and then we are going to go to apps. Now the nice thing is you only have to do this once, and then you'll be good forever. And we're going to go to default apps, and then we're going to scroll down under default apps and choose default apps by file type. And there are a ton of file types, but we just want to focus on the PDF. So we're going to scroll down because it is in alphabetical order. So now I'm going to scroll down to where it'll say PDF over here. So now that we're down at the PDF, we are just going to click this, and it should say Internet Explorer, I believe. And you would choose Adobe Acrobat DC. So anytime you open up a PDF, it'll automatically open up with that application.